Told myself I'd be okay, that time would slowly ease the pain. But every morning feels the same. I still whisper your name. I try to keep my heart moving, try to stop looking behind. But memories don't disappear when someone lives inside your mind. Everybody says let go, like it's something simple, but they never felt your touch or the way you changed my world. Part of me still waits for you, even though we're broken through, even though the nights moved on. Part of me still holds on. Part of me still waits for you like the sky still waits for blue, no matter what I try to do. Part of me still waits for you. I still pass the places where we used to laugh without a care. Now the silence fills the air, like your shadows everywhere. Sometimes I pretend I'm healed, like I don't feel what I feel. But the truth comes back at night, when there's nothing left but time. No goodbye, no final word, just emotions left unheard. And every piece of me still knows what we had was beautiful. Part of me still waits for you, even though we're broken through, even though the nights moved on. Part of me still holds on. Part of me still waits for you like the sky still waits for blue, no matter what I try to do. Part of me still waits for you. Still waits for you. Maybe healing takes its time, maybe hearts don't realign, maybe some people remain like soft echoes in the rain. Friends keep saying move ahead, but your memory fills my head. Every little thing I see still somehow brings you to me. Part of me still waits for you, even though we're broken through, even though the nights moved on. Part of me still holds on. Part of me still waits for you like the sky still waits for blue, no matter what I try to do. Part of me still waits for you. If you call me late tonight, would I still pick up the line? Will my heart forget the pain just to hear your voice again? Maybe that's the hardest truth, I still haven't lost you, even though you walked away. Part of me still stays. I'm learning how to breathe again without needing your attention. But some feelings never fade, they just slowly change their shape. Now the nights don't